Okay, I want to welcome everybody to the Hockey Card Man Single Blaster Box Team Auction Box Break 0017 2019-20 Upper Deck MVP Hockey. The time is 8:58, Sunday, April the 11th. That's 8:58, Sunday, April the 11th. I want to apologize to everybody. eBay's still doing their thing. Some people are having a hard time paying. I'm having a hard time sending invoices to people with multiple things. I talked to eBay. They're working on it. So I guess we just got to give them time. So this is our box. It's not open. It's all sealed. Exclusive. We've been 3 for 3 so far. Pretty good. Number on the box, VB082468167. That's our box. And we got 21 packs. So it should be a fun one. We usually get over 20 hits per box. So there's lots of hits in here. Take one side out. The other side out. Box empty. Okay, here we go. Good luck to everybody. First pack. And we have a short print, 218 of Alex Ovechkin for the Washington Capitals. Alex Ovechkin for the Washington Capitals, short print. Now we'll go back and forth. Nice. We got a Supernovas of Matthew Barzal for the New York Islanders. Matthew Barzal for the New York Islanders. Supernova. Really nice looking cards. Make sure there's no puzzles or short print cards. And we got a MVP puzzle of William Karlsson for the Vegas Golden Knights. William Karlsson for the Vegas Golden Knights puzzle with, I think it's an LA Kings team bench pitcher. Don't know who that's for, but that's going out to the Vegas Golden Knights. We have a MVP Stanley Cup edition of Mikael Backlund for the Calgary Flames. So it's the MVP Stanley Cup edition for the Calgary Flames. It's got a nice signature. Real nice signature. I like that one. We got a MVP Stanley Cup edition of Thomas Chabot for the Ottawa Senators. It's Thomas Chabot for the Ottawa Senators. MVP Stanley Cup edition. We have a MVP rookie of Dink Fabro for the Nashville Predators. It's an MVP rookie for the Nashville Predators. We have a MVP silver script of Brooks Orpik for the Washington Capitals. It's an MVP silver script of Brooks Orpik for the Washington Capitals. All base. First stud pack. That's not bad. Another dud pack. Usually get 3 or 4 of them. We have a MVP rookie of Guillermo Passero, I guess. Sorry if I can't pronounce that right. For Vancouver Canucks, it's an MVP rookie for Vancouver Canucks. third dud pack. And we have an MVP silver script of Paul Stastny for the Vegas Golden Knights. That's Paul Stastny for the Vegas Golden Knights. MVP silver script. Another dud. We have a MVP checklist. It's SP. Cal McIntyre for the Colorado Avalanche. So short print, number 250. Going out to the Colorado Avalanche. Done. That's 5. Not bad. We have an MVP puzzle of Damon Severson for the New Jersey Devils. It's an MVP puzzle. And looks like just the corner of Brad Marchand's face. So that's going out to the New Jersey Devils. MVP puzzle. Done. We have a laser shot, MVP laser shot of Erik Karlsson for the San Jose Sharks. Erik Karlsson. The San Jose Sharks. Second card. Well, looks like we're going to go 4 for 4. We have a MVP rookie of Olaf Belser for the Ottawa Senators. It's an MVP rookie. And we have our gold script of Antti Panarin for the Columbus Blue Jackets. Our gold script going out to Columbus Blue Jackets. Congratulations to that team owner. That's a nice card. So Upper Decksman Shrew. So on average, 1 per box. We have a MVP puzzle of Jonathan Drouin for the Montreal Canadiens. It's an MVP puzzle with Sid the Kid's head on the back. So it's going out to the Montreal Canadiens. Just to let everybody know, Friday I won't have a break, but Saturday I do have a break, and it's going to be 1920 MVP, but it's going to be a retail box, and it's going to be open auctions starting Monday for Saturday night. This is our final pack of the break. And we have Jonathan Huberdeau for the Florida Panthers. MVP Silver Script for the Florida Panthers. Okay, there you have it, guys. I want to thank everybody for participating in the Hockey Card Man box breaks. I'll get these out to the mail for everybody. Apologize with the eBay situation right now with how they're paying it, but they're changing it. Their contract's up with PayPal, but you can pay now with Apple Pay and all the other stuff now, so we'll get that straightened out in the future. But anyways, guys, have a good one, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.